Yes, sir.
We will continue with our MCQs. I said no, I have prepared 100 MCQs. So CABM, and the question is area of triangle AMC, area of triangle BMC. Area of triangle AMC, this triangle, and area of triangle BMC, this triangle. For both, heights are equal, bases are different. So height same, so base. Both have C, top. This is top, so base. Now one given A, B, C, X and Y given like this, and these are parallel given. In a triangle, when one line is parallel to one side of the triangle and it intersects rest of the two sides of the triangle, at that time only we can use BPT, basic proportionality theorem. And when two sides are intersecting, find out the common point. So from 1, 2, 1, 2, CX, XA. CY, YB. Correct. This is related to ratio of area. This is related to basic proportionality theorem. This is related to angle bisector. This angle is bisected, B. So upper by lower. Here also upper by lower. Means BA by BC is equal to AD by DC. If you will write lower by upper, so here also lower by upper. Means invert endo. Reverse. XYZ WT it is given. And already given first by second. XW, WY, XT, TZ. This is given. So from that, what we can conclude? In a BPT, if lines are parallel to the side, then these ratios are equal. And if these ratios are equal, therefore this is parallel to this. If they will give this, so we can write BD is angle bisector of angle B. Reverse. Converse property it's called. Very good diagram. 2 times I have asked same question. These and these are perpendicular. AB perpendicular to CD. This. They have given this. They have given this. This is 90, so this is automatically 90. Bases are congruent. Height is common. two side and include angle are also congruent. So when students are observing 90-90, no, they used to write hypotenuse side test. But you just find out in separate triangle that this pair is given, this is common, this. So SS, longest side is not included. So it is SS, side, angle, side. So just observe the 90-degree and write this SS or a hypotenuse side test. No, you have to judge. You have to observe the diagram. Triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. It is given. And area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to 19/16 given. Therefore, AB by PQ how much? When triangles are similar, ratio of area is equal to side square. So area 1 by area 2 is equal to AB by PQ square. So this is 9/16 is equal to AB by PQ. Taking square root on both the sides. So AB by PQ not square, square root, correct? This is square given. So this you can write 3 square, 4 square or overall square. This is square, this is square. Remove. Similarly, AB by PQ is equal to 2:3. If it is given, find out area, ratio of area. So A1 by A2 is equal to side square. Now one more diagram is given. ABD and it is C. What is the question? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ABD. This and fold this. In both the triangles, height are equal. So base by base of ABC, base is B because A is a top, so height. So BC tops BD. Correct? Now, comparison of similarity and congruency. If two triangles are congruent, then they must be similar. But if two triangles are similar, they cannot be congruent.
Sir, sir,
ask.
sir, will you explain one? Sir,
हाँ बोलो.
sir, will you explain 1.56 sum?
Yes, sure. Page number. Geometry algebra. Geometry or algebra?
Algebra.
1 point
5.
page number.
Page number.
हाँ 1.5 I got 1.5
6 sum.
6
Yes.
correct. Out of 1900 kilometer, Vishal travels some distance by bus, some by aeroplane. The bus travel with the average speed 16 and the average speed of the aeroplane is this. Both are travel for 5 hours. To complete the journey, find the distance Vishal travel by the bus. Some distance by bus, some distance by aeroplane. So type, then distance, speed, time. हाँ bus plane correct. Distance traveled by this we don't know. Distance traveled by this we don't know, but the distance travel is 1900. Speed both given 60, 700. This is kilometer. This is kilometer per hour. So speed is equal to distance by time. So time is equal to distance by speed. Distance by speed, x by 60, y by 700. Total hours taken by, that means 5 hours. This is the question only. Type of the transport, distance travel, speed, time. By bus, by plane, total 1900. Here by bus how much? We don't know, x. By plane how much? We don't know, y. But the total is 1900. So x plus y, 1900. Speed of bus 60 km per hour. Speed of plane 700 km per hour. So the time taken, this much distance by this much speed. So this by this is equal to time taken. By bus this much time, by plane this much time. So the total time by bus plus by plane, that is total time is 5 hours. So again another equation, x by 60 plus y by 700 is equal to 5 by 1. So always under this product of rest of, that is LCM, under this product of rest of, six sevens are 42 and 000. So this is 700x plus 60y is equal to this into this 42 into 5 means put a 0, make it half. Remove 110 means divide by 10.
So
हाँ.
So how that 760 and 4200 had come 42,000?
That is LCM. LCM of this is product of these two. LCM of this is product of these two. LCM of this is product of these two. Then this into this, this into this, this into this. Okay. Then I have removed 0, 0, 0. So the new equation is this. and this is this. So I want 6x, 6y here. So multiply this by 6. So first I will write 70x plus 6y is equal to 21000. This multiplied by 6 means 6x plus 6y is equal to 0. 54, so 4, 5 remains. This is 11. Correct. Multiply by 6. Now subtraction. So this will be 64x. This will be 0. $21,000 minus 11,000. So 21,000, 11400, 006190. So 9600. So x is equal to 9600 divided by 64. With 8 you can cut 8 8s are 8. So by bus distance travel is 150 kilometers. Remove that. So rest of the part covered by plane. But they have asked, I think, by bus only. So X that we have considered for bus. Correct? Any doubt? If triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR, therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If then. But if triangle PQR similar triangle XYZ, then triangle PQR congruent to triangle XYZ if ratio PQ by XY is equal to 1:1 or 1. 1:1 means 1 only. If the ratio of side is 1 and it is similar, then it is congruent. But if it is congruent, no other condition, without any condition it is similar. But from similar to congruent, you need this condition of ratio. If any one side is equal, or you can write no, PQ is equal to XY, then only the ratio will be 1. Angle in both, in this also pair of angles are congruent, in this also pair of angles are congruent. But if it is congruent, you can say it is similar. But it is similar, always it is not congruent. Here always it is similar. But when it is similar, it is not always congruent. When it is congruent, when at least one side are equal. Correct? Next. Geometry, I think that much we have. Now we'll do from this quadratic.
Sir.
Say.
Sir, problem set 1 of algebra 6
Which one?
6 problem set.
Okay, page
Last
number
one.
21, there are 6 terms, but how, which
29.
one?
29.
Algebra you are talking, no?
Yes.
Algebra problem set 1 is on 27, 28 page number, beta. Tell fast.
29 last sum.
What?
Last sum.
Acha, ha. This I think I have one recording that I will send you, bacha. You are Preeti, who is talking, bacha?
Yes, sir, Preeti.
Preeti, I have recording, so that I will send you, bacha. And if you will not get no another time, you can ask me to repeat, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Because today's this, I want to complete this MCQs, and tomorrow I want to repeat the theorems only, and Saturday I want to take 1 hour lecture of types of chemical equation. That very easy way, what type of the questions they can ask and what particular word in which sequence you have to write, that very easily I will give you the full material. You don't worry. And that recording also I will send you. So if you will see that recording 2 times, your chapter will be by heart, definitely.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Now from quadratic sum MCQs, if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, here which you want non-zero?
Sir, factor से 2.2 8 sum
Which algebra, geometry?
2.2 जो algebra
2.2.
8 sum sir
8th sum. 3x square minus 2 root 6 x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here in this I have given the step that you have to multiply this and this. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. That always you have to divide by under root number. So 6. So the answer is 1. From 1 I want 2. From 1 I want 2. So 1 ones are. And I want minus 2. So minus 1, it will be plus. And 1 root 6 x, 1 root 6 x, that will be the factor. 3x square minus 1 root 6 x minus 1 root 6 x means minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. From these two, what you can take the common? X also, root 3 also. So x 1 out, 1 remain. Root 3 out, so root 3 remain. Minus x gone out, root 2, because root 2, root 3, root 6. Same you have to copy. X root 3 minus root 2. 2 is there, root 2 is there. So root 2 into root 2. This is minus because minus plus minus. Common of common. X root 3 minus root 2. So both are equal. So it is a perfect square. Therefore, x is equal to root 2 by root 3. X is equal to root 2 by root 3. Or you can write 2 by 3 overall root. Both are same answer, means it is a perfect square. Come to this. Ax square plus bx plus c, it will be a quadratic equation. So which coefficient should not be 0? If c is not 0, for example, if c is 0, so you can write 7x square plus 2x is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. If this is a 0, 5x square plus 0 plus 7 is equal to 0. Then also it is a quadratic equation because 2 power. But here you cannot get 0. 0 plus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. No, it is not a quadratic equation. So when they will ask ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, which should not be 0 for quadratic equation? A should not be 0 for quadratic equation. That I have asked in very first test. It is recorded, so Preeti, you will get bacha this, okay? That is why I am rubbing. No need to copy. Kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 given. Substitute. K 2 0 2 2 plus 3 0. 2 to the 4k minus 20 plus 3 is equal to 0. 4k minus 17 is equal to 0. 4k is equal to 17. A is equal to 17 by 4. Substitute k, x is equal to 2. 2 to the 4. 2. 2 tens are 20. 20 minus 20 plus 3 minus 17. Minus 17 this side. So plus 17. Multiple 4, division 4. Minus 3 is given. Minus 2x is given. They've asked find the quadratic equation. So very easy trick. First into first. So that is x squared. Last into last. Minus 3 minus 2 plus 6. What is about the middle? Product of this, product of this. What is the middle? So minus 3 minus 2, not the product, total. Minus 2 minus 3, that is minus 5 x. This is one method. Second method, x into x minus 2 minus 3 x minus 2. X square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6.
So,
Last
last 10 minutes.
Okay. A very good example.
Sir,
M square minus 11. Ask.
sir, page number 54 of algebra. 10th sum.
That is omitted. Now, no, in this 25%. Don't do. Roots are
Okay,
given
then
and you have to find out the
14th sum.
equation.
Okay, then sir, 14th sum.
Okay. Agreed with phrase. The length of the farm is 10 meters more than the twice of the breadth. In the order to harvest the rain, to use a ag. This. Okay. Ten more than twice the breadth. Breadth is equal to x. Length is equal to 10 more than twice the breadth. If the side of the pond is 1/3 of the breadth of the farm, the area of the farm is, here there is a pond of x by 3, x by 3. Okay. So big area is equal to length into breadth is equal to x 10 plus 2x. Small area, small l, small b, that is both are same, x by 3, x by 3. Now the area of the farm is 20 times the area of the pond. So, this area is 20 times of this. Big area is equal to 20 times of small. So this into this 10x plus 2x square 20x square by 3. 3 is the LCM. 3 ones are 3 ones are 1 3 are. So 30x plus 6x square is equal to 20x square. This comes this side. And later, the length of the farm is 10 meters more than the twice of its breadth. That is correct. The order to harvest the rain, a square shape pond, is 1/3 correct of the breadth. The area of the farm is 20 times the area of the pond. That is also correct. Okay, this is 3 3s are 9. So this is 9 9. This is 90. This is 18. This is 20x square. So this comes this side. 90x is equal to 20x square minus 18x square. So this is 2x square, 90x, xx reduced. So 90 is equal to 2x. X is equal to 90 by 2. It is 45. 45 meter. This we want, x. Which I have written m square minus 11 is equal to 0. So m square is equal to 11. So m is equal to plus or minus under root 11. So plus 11 under root minus 11 under root. These are the answers. 3 conditions given. No, delta is exactly 0. Delta is greater than 0. Delta is less than 0. When this discriminant value is exactly 0, means two answer, root, solution are equal, real and equal. If it is greater than, real but not equal. If it is less than, not real, not equal. Real, equal. Real, unequal. Not real, not equal, means unequal. These 3 very important part. So from that we have to identify x square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. Find out the type of which type is this. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 6, C is equal to 9. B square minus 4AC. This delta value is B square minus 4AC. 6 minus 4 A C. 6 6 are 36. 36. Exactly 0. So it is real and equal. Like that. If you will get plus, then positive. So greater than 0. So real but not equal. Negative answer means compared to B square, 4AC product is bigger. Correct? Two x square plus 6x minus 5 is equal to 0. Then what is alpha dot beta? Alpha plus beta is equal to b by a minus b by a, but alpha dot beta is equal to c by a. So what is c? Minus 5. What is a? 2x square plus kx minus 2 is 0. Substituting x is equal to minus 2, we have to find k. So 2 minus 2 square all x I have substituted minus 2. Minus minus plus 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 minus 2k is equal to 0. 6 is equal to 2k. K is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. How much time remains?
Sir, 2 minutes.
Okay, so 10th standard student, please be ready for the semester exam. It will be in the second week of October. So we will not increase more chapter because 3